You know that feeling, right? You need to make something look good, you open up a new document, and you're just staring at a terrifyingly blank screen. Well, we've all been there. Today, we're going to demystify Canva and show you how to create something that looks amazing in just a few minutes, even if you have absolutely zero experience.
Yep, that's the goal right here. In the next few minutes, we're going to take you on a journey from that blank page to a finished, professional-looking design that you'll actually be proud of. You ready? Let's dive in.
Okay, first things first. Before you do anything else, you have to decide what you're making. Is it an Instagram post, a flyer, maybe a presentation? This choice is basically you picking your creative playground. And honestly, it's the most important step to get right.
And here's why that choice is so critical. See, when you tell Canva, hey, I'm making an Instagram post, it doesn't just give you a blank square. No, it immediately offers you perfectly sized templates and tools that are made specifically for Instagram. So you're not just picking a size, you're telling Canva exactly how it can help you win.
All right, you've got your canvas. Now for the really fun part. Over on the left, you'll see a tab called Elements. Think of this as your personal treasure chest. It's packed with photos, graphics, stickers, pretty much all the visual building blocks you're going to need. A lot of the time, one single, powerful image can do all the heavy lifting for your design. So, inside that Elements tab, click on Photos. Go ahead and type in a keyword, I don't know, maybe forest or city lights. Find an image that speaks to you, and just click and drag it right onto your canvas.
So, once your photo's on the page, you'll probably want to tweak it a bit. The most basic way to do this is cropping. All you do is grab those little white handles you see on the sides and corners of the image and just drag them. You're basically trimming the edges to focus on the exact part of the picture you want everyone to see.
Okay, so cropping changes the actual shape of your image, but frames are a totally different kind of magic. A frame is like a container. You find a cool shape, maybe a circle or a splash of paint, and then you drag your photo into that shape. The photo instantly fills it. It is like the easiest way to add a seriously professional touch.
Right, we've got our visuals locked in. Now it's time to actually say something, to add our message and make the whole thing feel cohesive. This is where we really bring the design to life with some text and color.
You don't even have to hunt through menus for this. Here's a pro tip. Just hit the letter T on your keyboard. Bam! A text box appears out of nowhere. Type what you want to say, and then you can resize it just like an image by dragging the corners. It's seriously that easy.
Ah, yes, the question we all ask ourselves. This is the exact moment where most people get stuck. You've got your photo, you've got your words, but what color should the text be? What about the background? Don't worry, Canva has a little bit of magic up its sleeve for this exact problem.
Here is the big secret. Stop guessing. The absolute best color palettes are already hiding in plain sight, right inside the main photo you chose. A really great design works with its main image. It doesn't fight against it.
And Canva makes this ridiculously simple. When you go to change a color, just look for a section called Photo Colors. Canva has already pulled a perfect palette for you. Or, even better, click on the Styles tab. You can apply professionally designed font and color combos with a single click. Don't love it? Just hit the shuffle button and watch it instantly change. It completely takes the guesswork out of it.
We are so close to being done. This last little bit is what separates a pretty good design from a great one. We just need to add that final professional polish by making sure everything is lined up and arranged perfectly.
So, imagine your design is just a stack of paper. The background is at the very bottom, and every photo or piece of text you add is a new piece of paper on top. So what happens if your text gets hidden behind a photo? Easy. Just click on your text, find the position button up top, and tell it to move forward. It's that simple to control what's on top of what.
And that's it. You actually did it. You went from a blank page to a beautiful finished design. Now for the best part, getting your masterpiece out of Canva and into the real world.
Honestly, this might be the easiest part of the whole thing. In the top right corner, click that big Share button. From the menu that pops up, choose Download. Now for stuff like social media, PNG is usually your best bet for a high-quality image. Select that, hit that final download button, and your creation is saved and ready to go.
And there you have it. You now know the fundamental building blocks to create pretty much anything you can imagine in Canva. You've officially gone from zero to hero. So the only real question left is, now that the blank page isn't so scary anymore, what are you going to create first?